Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Alpha Vantage API. To begin, navigate to the Alpha Vantage website and locate the Get Your Free API Key section. Registration is quick and straightforward, requiring only a few details to set up your account. Once registered, your unique API key will be provided instantly. This key is essential for all future data requests, so keep it secure. Make sure to review the terms of service before proceeding with your first API call. Your Alpha Vantage API key acts as your personal identifier for all data requests. It's crucial to include this key in every API call you make to ensure proper authentication. Be mindful of the rate limits, which typically allow for 5 requests per minute and 500 requests per day for the free tier. Understanding these limits helps prevent your access from being temporarily blocked. Always keep your API key confidential to protect your account. Now, let's make your first API call. Choose an endpoint, for example, to retrieve daily time series data for a stock. You'll construct a URL by combining the base URL, your chosen function, the symbol, and your API key. Once you send this request, the API will return data, usually in JSON or CSV format. You'll then need to parse this data in your preferred programming language to extract the information you need. To build robust applications, always implement error handling in your code to manage unexpected responses or network issues. If your data needs exceed the free tier's rate limits, consider upgrading to a premium plan for increased access. Additionally, explore the various client libraries available for popular programming languages like Python or JavaScript. These libraries can significantly simplify the process of integrating the Alpha Vantage API into your projects.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.